you that Trevor? Hold on. No you that to Trevor? No.
No, I don't mean that.
I know you that, but I want to tell you, say, we can make that be you. But anyway, no you that Trevor. So listen me good. If you want to see back road before your great grandchildren them start collect pension, you go work with them I work with.
So what this all about?
We need to know everything where Carlton Wallace involved in women involved in with it.
Listen, the man just give me back at work. You expect me to do that? I can't do that.
Yeah? Give us a second. We're catching up on long time memories. Friends. Trevor, let me tell you something. If you understand the 1 foot already, you know, say this one is next. You just make sure what I tell you to do and what you do. So, It's always so good to see you, Trevor. So you don't worry yourself. We'll keep in touch. I'll call you. Oh, I got your number. Trevor. Trevor. Very nice, Trevor. Very nice.
Awa.
Him.
He's a long time friend. I think say him is dead. I tell him I'm going to call the Uber, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah, go on, I'm there. Yeah, you ready for me? That more here, man. Stash, you know? Alright, so what are the location? Chill. Alright, now reach now, man, see? Yeah, bossy.
What go on? Yeah, I know you're in a deep sleep and I don't want to bother you, but I just check in for you. You alright?
Yeah, man, I'm there. Everything alright, man.
I'm glad for know say you're alright. But remember now, I'm going to need an update and a report for know what go on.
Yeah, man, you know I'm going to keep you posted as usual.
Alright. Take care of yourself and remember, look out of your eye them. All of them.
Alright. As soon as I finish, we'll just give a report, yeah? Alright.
Alright.
You might go feel some talk too much bubbles.
So what I tell him say you tell me? You are gonna tell him?
No, it's just that Xpressionz for be prepared. I've never seen me alone. I'm saying me and you.
And if they indicate to you none at all what the problem could have been?
And that worry me.
See, remember say when Xpressionz see things, it not always go that way there.
Bubbles, most of the things what Xpressionz tell we, Is either it go so or it go near it.
You have a point. Whisper tell you any kind of move where I make?
That part then, he begged me to keep it to myself.